Yes. Completed breakfast. Very good. Sir, in the yesterday class, flow control, conditional statements are completed. If, else, if else statements are done. Second one, iterative statements. First one, conditional statements. So conditional statements are three are there, sir. First, if and else, if, elif, else three are there. Second one is iterative statements. For loop, while loop are there. So now, for loop means in the sequence, how many values are there? Those many values, those many times I have to iterate the loop. Then we need to go to the for loop. But while loop means I have to provided one condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the code. If condition until condition false, the program will be executed there. In yesterday last program, one program I'm given n equal to some 6, while n greater than 0, print the 10, n minus equal to 2, if n percentage. Anyone traced it program? So if you run this program yesterday already executed, the output is 6, 4, 3, 1. How it is coming? D drive, current working directory. The output is 6, 4, 3, 1 came. Sir, how it is working means internally. Anyone got the logic? This one? No? Sir, first time, what is the value of the n, sir? 6. Okay, fine. It is comparing the condition while n greater than 0. Ante 6 is greater than 0. True or false? True kada. So once condition is true, it will goes to here print of n. Print of n and output. What is the value? Okay, done. Now, the only problem is this statement problem for every person. Just it is a ternary operator. What is ternary operator? If condition success, left side will be executed, no, right side. You know already what it is, ternary operator. And you have to check this one first. This one you have to validate. N percentage equal 0. What is the n value? 6. Okay. 6 percentage equal to 0. True na false? True kada. 6% in 2, 3 are 6. Remainder 0. So condition satisfied. Once condition satisfied, which statement will be executed? n minus equal to 2. What is the meaning of n minus equal to 2? N equal to n minus 2 and meaning. Yes, yeah. What is the n value? 6. 6 minus 2. Okay, fine. Up to now, chalta. What is the value of n? 4. Go to the while. Now, 4 is greater than 0 or not? True. ఏం జరుగుతుంది? Once condition true, line number 3. Print n. What is the n value? 4 కదా. Updated 4. ఇంకా forget about this 6, forget about this story. Present, this is the story. N value for printed output. Come to the here now. Sir, 4% equal to 0. True or false? False. False అయితే which one executed? Right side. So what is the right side one available there? This one will be replaced in the place of 2. And the loop will be executed here. N minus equal to 1. That is the meaning. Because once condition not false, what is the value? Right side value kada. So 1 will be placed to there. That's why n minus equal to 1. What is n value? 4. 4 minus 1. 3. So now what is the value of the n? 3. Now forget about this minus 2, 4. Now what is the condition we have to check? 3 greater than 0. True or false? True. But once true అయినప్పుడు previous ga 4 is there. Now 3 will be there. Yes or no? Yes. Come to inside. 3% is 3. True. True అయితే ఏం జరుగుతుంది మళ్ళీ left side. What is the left side value? N minus equal to 2. What is n value? 3. 3 minus 2 అంటే 1. So now what is the n value? 1. Now forget about this equation. Go to the while condition. 1 is greater than 0 or not? Satisfied. Now what is the output? 1. Come to the last one. 1% is 3 equal to 0. False. So once it is false, what is happened there? Right side. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So finally your n became 0. Now forget about this. Go to the condition. 0 greater than 0. False. Terminated loop. 6, 4, 3, 1. That is the logic. Now getting the logic, everyone know. You can try once more ante. You can try it. You can do R&D. Simple man. If you know this ternary operator, automatically you will get it. If condition satisfied, left side. Not satisfied, right side only. Every time manual you can take. Condition satisfied, if it go to the 6 minus 2. Not satisfied, 1. And they and yesterday one more program asking everyone why we are using here R operator. Yes or no? Why? Because of and is not working, that's why we are using R. Antena? Now check this. Sir, here you have to tell when 4 line number 5 will be executed. 4 and 5. 4, 5 statements when it will execute, sir. Whenever this while statement is true, then only this 4 and 5 will be executed there. Ante kada. What is the meaning of while? If the condition is satisfied, while condition true, then only inner statements are executed there. Okay, fine. First time you have to check it. Name equal to empty, password equal to empty. Name not equal to Mahesh. True na false? True hai kada? True. What is the operator I am using? R. Now password empty. Empty not equal to sunny. True or false? True. True or true? What will happen? True. Whenever both true or true, then only it is coming inside. It is asking to the username and password. Okay, done. Come to here. Enter the program. Username. I'm entering Mahesh. Password. I'm entering as a Katrina. Now check it first of all. Sir, name not equal to Mahesh. True na false? False. And then Mahesh ka the name. Both are same. Observe carefully. So in this case, here we are getting as a what it is? False. Or what it is? Name not equal to Sunny. True. Because what is the name I entered here? Katrina. Satisfied, not satisfied? Yes. No. What it is? True. Yeah. False or true? Once while condition true, what will happen? It will goes to inside or not? Because total statement true, while true and danger, again internal it will goes to there. It is asking username and password. Now check it. Once I'm clicking on enter, while condition true, enter name. Sorry, I'm entering as a Karina. I'm entering as a Sunny. Now check the conditions this time. Name not equal to Mahesh. True. Name not equal to Sunny. False. Now check the conditions. This time, third possibility, true or false. True. While true, again 4 and 5 will be executed there. So like that, so whenever both are false, then only while statement not executed. If any one is true, final output will become true only. That's why it will goes to the inside. Now check this again. Again, it is asking. Why it is asking? While finally, what is the output? True. While condition true, compulsory it is executed there. Again, enter name. Okay, Mahesh. Again, enter name, Sunny. Now you can check it this time. Name not equal to Mahesh. False. Oh, boss, false. Name not equal to Sunny. False. What is the output? Once a while statement false, it will stop the loop. Line number 6. Thanks for confirmation came. So, based on your values, okay, it is asking to the true and false, it is checking there. Previously, we were using and statement, okay. Check it. What is the problem with and? I will show. Sorry, remove this. And I am using. Now here, clear the screen. Enter name, Mahesh. Enter name, Katrina. Now, based on these values, you have to tell true and false. Then I will write here. Name not equal to Mahesh. True na false? False because name Mahesh kada. False. Okay. And password not equal to Sunny. True. False and true. Yeah. False. False and true. What it is? False. And a total while statement, what it is? False. Once while condition false, which statement executed? Line number 6 out of the loop. So thanks for confirmation. So that is the problem with the AND. Everyone thinking that sir AND means compulsory. No, it is taking the truth table, true and false, false and true. Based on that, you have to check your values. Once the total condition false, then it should be not executed these two statements. It will goes to the thanks for confirmation. Because final output, what it is? False. Once while condition failed, why it is asking internally? It never asked. Okay, thanks for confirmation came. That is the problem with and statement. Now, okay, why we are using OR statement? Because always you have to check true and false. Finally, if it is result false, then only while loop terminated. If any one is true, then it will goes to the inside. That's why you need to mention OR condition. And one more explained in the last class, nested for loops. For I in range of 4. Yeah. What is the I values? 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, for j in range of 3. What is the j values? 0, 1, 2. Now, I want to. print the values. I equal to, what is this? Curling brace. Very good, intelligent girl. Dictionary. When excellent inka set marvelous aslu. I'm using in single quotes. In output streams, I'm telling, hello Mahesh, your salary 10,000, your girlfriend Sunny is waiting. What is that? Replacement operator. Dot format. Replacing purpose. So if not using single quote, then it is a dictionary. I'm using single quotes means it is the replacement operator. In the output streams, 8 formats explained. Last format I'm given example. Mahesh, your girlfriend salary. In the curling brace I'm using, that is. So how to replace dot format of I comma j. So what is the meaning here? First curling braces will be replaced with I value. Second curling brace replaced with j value. That is the meaning. Okay, now. Sir, first time what is I value, sir? 0. J value 0. So j loop is execute how many times? 3 times. So 0, 0. Next 0, 1. Next 0, 2. Completed. J value is not there. Then I will be incremented. Starts with 1. Now 3 times. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Completed. Go to the 2. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Next 3. 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. We'll get it. That is the nested for loops. And just one printing purpose. If you don't want to remove that, IJ print okay. Don't think that my London mali logical operator and or not. If I'm using single quotes, it is just a string only. Sir, now my requirement is, yesterday I'm given some formats. Dot format means dot format. Dot format is a one function which is used to replace these values into these curling braces. So what is the dot format? One predefined function which can be used to replace your values. So now, one or two small chota examples I will tell this nested for loops. Yesterday open some patterns. Later on we will see that patterns. Present I'm telling this for loops, 2 for loops. How first inner for loop will be incremented. Once inner loop completed, then outer loop will be incremented one by one. Based on this, you have to tell, I'm given the value n equal to some 5 anukondi. The n value anything I'm asking from the keyboard. Enter n value. It may be 3 na 4 or 5 or your wish. I'm asking 5. So my output should be 5 rows I can require. How many rows? 5 rows. First row single star, second row 2 stars, third row 3 stars, fourth row 4 stars, fifth row 5 stars. If I'm asking 10 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10 stars, I want to print it. For this, how to write it? Check this carefully. So ikkada I'm taking 2 for loops. I is meant for rows. How many rows you can require? 5 rows. What is n value? 5 kada? Okay, done. Now check this. Input function. Enter some number. That is your wish. Any number you can enter. N capital better enter. Malada bada. Into. Now, sir, n value may be 5. Yeah. So first, how many rows required? 5 rows. Ante my loop will be running pakka 5 times. What to do for I in range of, can I give 5? Tomorrow I'm giving n value 2 only. Then it is executed 5 times. So you can give n value, because what is n value? I don't know. Runtime I'm entering maybe 3 na, 2 na, 5 or 10 na. Okay, done. In this case, assume 5. Okay. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Until loop is executed 5 times or not? 5 rows done. For j in range of, what can I give? J loop ఎన్నిసార్లు రన్ అవ్వాలి? I5 I అంటే ఎంత? 0 I టైమ్స్ I వాల్యూ ఫస్ట్ టైం 0 కదా, అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రన్నింగ్ 0 టైమ్స్ అంటే. ఇక్కడ చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. యా, ఎస్ అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఫస్ట్ రో హౌ మెనీ స్టార్స్? 1. ఫస్ట్ రో అంటే I వాల్యూ ఎంత? 0 ఫస్ట్ టైం I వాల్యూ 0 or not? 0. Next 1. Next 2. And if I is 0, 1 star required. If I is 1, 2 stars. If I is 2, 3 stars. If I is 3, 4 stars. If I is 4, 5 star. Sorry. Instead of that confusion, simple logic I will give. Don't confuse. 1 comma I can go with n plus 1. Now what is the values of I? You have to tell. Remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? Correct. N value 5. N plus 1 means 6. Range of 1 comma 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Satisfied. So now don't confuse here. 1 comma I plus 1. What is the meaning of range of 1 comma I plus 1? What is I value first time? 1 plus 1 ante 2. 1 comma 2 means only 1. 1 comma 3 means 1, 2. 1 comma 4 means 1, 2, 3. 1 comma 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Until less than 1 value it is taken kada. Yes. Now print star. Print star comma end attribute. Why end attributes? Same line. Now, sir, once J loop is completed, I want to go to the next line because first time see I value 1. 1 plus 1, 1 comma 2. J is running 1 time. 1 star will be printed. Once J loop complete, I want to go to the next line because next 2 stars I want to print next line. After that, next line, next line, next line. What is the print with empty? It will goes to the next line. Now check this. 3, 5, 10 came stars. Yes, sir. So this is by using these 2 loops, I value, J value. Sir, slowly all these are while practicing only, you will get it one by one, one by one. Single day, it is not possible. Check the I values. I value 1 comma n plus 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can R&D 1 comma I value 1 plus 1, 2. 1 comma 2 means 1. Next 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 comma 3 means 1, 2. Which one? 0, 3. Sorry. Now observe carefully. Actually, here 2 loops are not required, first of all. Required, not required? Not required. Required? Can I write without 2 loops? Single loop is enough. Because, see, the programming logics are, if one program is there, there are n number of solutions are there. Here, multiple rows, multiple columns. Observe carefully. Any programming, this is the basic fundamental logic. Sir, this is the row. First row, second row, third, 4, 5. Idi? Yeah. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. The basic fundamental rule is every column symbol changes, not changes. Changes. Only star kada. Symbol changes means observe. What is the symbol changes? Ante 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every column symbol changes, not changes. Changes number mark. Yes, but ikkada star only every column. If symbol does not changes, one loop is enough. If symbol changes every column, then only you can go to the 2 loop. Sorry, same program, single loop. I will do it. Check it carefully. Now, see this one carefully, sir. I in range of 1 comma n plus 1 I am taken. Remove all these nonsense as well. First time, what is the I value? Second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, 5. So this for loop execute how many times? 5 times. Come to here, print star space. I want to go with star I, completed program. Star with space అంటే రిపిటేషన్ ఆపరేటర్. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఐ వాల్యూ ఎంత? 1 star printed. Immediately goes to next line or not? I value ఎంత this time? 2 star. What is the meaning of this star? Repetition operator. Because is it a string or not? Yes. Next time star will be repeated 2 times. Next time 3 times, 4 times. Run this. Came, not came. Single loop is enough, not enough. Enough. ఏ స్టార్ ని? Take that program. అవును. ఏ నెంబర్స్? ఇంటర్నల్ నెంబర్స్. These values based on our logic we have to change it based on the programming. So take that one. So ఇది some two loops complicated. Simple logic, this is the simple one. Ala every program different styles are there. But all these are once you started practice, then only you will get it everything. First day, first time, some little bit confusion, complicated. Once starting the programming, while writing logics, automatically you will get it. Sir, now anyone write this one. Suppose I'm asking a number from the keyboard. Okay. దీనికి మీరు రాయండి, anyone write a program to display stars as, for example, the n is 1. అంటే enter some number, what is n value? 1. You can print only 1 star. Only single star bus. If n equal to 2, you have to print 2 stars with 2 rows. If n equal to 3, how many rows? Every row 3 stars. How many rows? 3 rows. Star, 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 star. If n equal to 10, 10 rows, each row 10 stars. Write that. Written program. Sir, here check this. Enter some number. The number may be 3. Now, I want to go with for I in range of n. 0, 1, 2. So this I loop is executed 3 times because 3 rows I can required 3 it is taken. For j in range of n. So this j loop is also executed how many times? 3 times only. So 0, 1, 2. I want to print. What can I print? Star, comma, same line. End with the same. So once j loop is complete, to go with print next line. So I is pointing to the rows, 3 rows. J is pointing to the column. In the first column, n value 3, 3 stars will printed with the spaces. Once j loop completed, it will goes to the next line. I will become 1. Again, j is running 3 times. Star will be printed 3 times. Now check this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10. Sir, here every column symbol changes, not changes. So 2 loops required, 1 loop. 1 loop is enough. How to do? Remove these nonsense, all these. Just you have to print star with the space into n. What is n value? 3. Loop running 3 times, every row 3 stars. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10. So symbol not changes, 1 loop is bus. 2 loops are not required. What it is? Continue not required. What is the meaning of continue? It is jump the current iteration. Current iteration will be skipping. Now next I will explain that one transfer statements. Sorry, these for loops, these patterns, later on once the functions completed, I will explain these for loops and all those. So now 2 types of statements are completed. Conditional statements and iterative. The third category is transfer statements. In the transfer statements, 3 statements are there. What about those 3? Break, continue, pass. 3 are available there. First one, break. Sir, break means, for example, see, for I in range of 10, print I. What is the values we are getting? 0 to 9. 0 to 9, I am getting it. Now, I don't want to run all the values. Whenever my required values came, suppose whenever I value came 3, I don't want to run the program. Remaining values I don't want print. So, based on some condition, I want to break the loop. Then we need to go to the which statement? break statement. And I want to print only 0, 1, 2, 3 means I want to give one condition here. If I equal to 3, what is the meaning of double equal to? Comparison purpose. So first time check this. What is I value? 0. True? No. I equal to 1. 1 equal to 3 na? No. This one? No. Whenever 3 came, condition satisfied. Once if condition satisfied, it will go to the inside. What I'm using? Break. Before that, just one normal print statement, casual statement I want to print. Processing is enough. Please break. Line number 3, 4. When these two lines executed, you know, when it is executed, if the condition is true, because if and else statements we discussed. So first time I value 0. Sir, I equal to 3. 0 equal to 3, kaadu kada, which will execute, sir? Line number 5. And 0 will be printed. Next, what is the I value? 1. 1 equal to 3, na? Fail. Fail aithe which will execute? Line number 5. 1 will be printed. Next, I value 2. 2 equal to 3, na? Kaadu. Again printed. I value 3. 3 equal to 3. Yes, condition true, then it will goes to inside. This is statement break. Once I am using break, total program will be terminated. Now check this. What is the output I am getting? 0, 1, 2 or 0, 1, 2, 3? 0, 1, 2, 3 also. 0, 1, 2 only. 1, 3 came condition satisfied, goes to the inside. Please processing is enough. Please break. Break program will be breaking. So break means break statement inside the loops to break the loop execution based on some condition. Entire program will be gone. That for loop is gone. Actually, the for loop will be executed how many times? 10 times. Once I'm using break, total program will be terminated. Because, chudandi, these all statements are available where? For loop only kada. That is I'm telling, man. Total for loop is breaking. Chonde, what they're asking is, sir, come to here. Print. I can printed Sunny. What is the output I will get? 0, 1, 2. After that, 0, 1, 2. Sunny Leon executed, not executed. Because is it belongs to for loop? No, kada. That is the way. Swapnil and Deepthi. For loop we are breaking. Sir, now I have some cart of items are there. In that cart of items, I want to go to the some shopping. There are some items are there, $10, $30, $40, something. In US market, if any product is greater than minimum $500 above, any product is there, for that product compulsory you have to take the insurance. Insurance must be required, because if it is failure, then automatically you have to claim the insurance. That's why if any product is above 500, compulsory they have to make it as a insurance must and should required. I have 10, 30, 40, 50, 70, 60 items are available there. So above 500 products are not there. Happily, I can process each and every item. Suppose if any product is greater than 500, they are not allowing to buy that product. Means for this year, take a list of the card 10, 20, 30, 600, 40, 50, 550, 70, 80. This is the items available there. Now, sir, for each item in the cart, sir, can I use any variable or can I go with only I? Anything. What is item? Item is even variable. Starting we discussed now identifiers. The identifier may be cash, maybe total, anything. In that place, anything you can use. Understandable purpose I am given. One item in the cart. First time, what is the item? 10. Second time, 20. Third time, 30. Values are coming. Now you have to check, Babu, if any item is greater than 500, print one statement. To place this order, insurance must be required. I can go with break. No, print that item. When line number 6 will be executed? If condition is fails. If condition is true, then go to that 4, 5 for loop will be breaking. Now first time item is 10. 10 greater than 500, no, printed. 20 greater than 500, no, printed. 30 greater than 500, no, printed. 600 came. Condition satisfied, true. Then what will happen? It will goes to inside. To place this order, insurance is required. Please break. Loop will be breaking. Now see this. What is happened? 10, 20, 30. Remaining won't be executed. For loop is the breaking. So what is the second one? Continue. What is the meaning of continue? Break means it is break the loop. Continue means it will continue. Yes, values are left. What to do for that? What Sir, what is the meaning of continue means? For example, I will write program. Again, the program will continue after break. Once break executed, no one can execute it. Okay. Venimado. Sir, I will write a small program. You have to tell the output for I in range of 10. So what is the values it will printed? 0 to 9. I will give a small condition. If I percentage 2 equal to 0, then I want to go to the continue and print I. What is the output we will get? Mm. 13579. ఇంకా and what is the output we will get here? They are telling 13579. Correct? No. 02468. Yeah, very good. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes? No. టూ ఆన్సర్స్ అండి మొత్తానికి. ఒకళ్ళేమో ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ అన్నారు, ఒకళ్ళేమో ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అన్నారు. విచ్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్? ఆడ్ ఈవెన్? ఏదైతే నాకు ఎందుకు సార్ అంటావా? సార్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ చెక్ ఇట్. It will printed all odd numbers will be printed there. Found 0 to 9. Very good. శ్రీలాష్య ఈ పిల్లనా గుడికెళ్ళే పిల్ల? సార్ ఇక్కడ ఐ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ సార్ జనరేటెడ్ విత్ 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values are there. కాదు. ఓకే డన్. సార్ ఫస్ట్ ఐ వాల్యూ 0. 0% to equal to 0. ట్రూనా ఫాల్సా? ట్రూ అయ్యా బాబు. 0% to అంటే ఎంత? రిమైండర్ 0 ఓన్లీ. కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్. Once condition satisfied, continue. As first of all, what is the meaning of the continue means? It will skip the current iteration. Ante what is current I value? You can skip it, go to the next value. So once I value skip, ante don't print it, skip the value. 1% 2. True or false? False. Once it is false, which will execute this. So I will be printed. Second time, 2% equal to 0. Satisfied. True. Go to inside continue. Continue means skip the current value. Skip this. Gone. Next 3. 3% 2. Not satisfied. Go to the line number 4. Printed. 4. Satisfied. Continue. Continue means skip the current value. What is the current I value? 4. Skip that. 5. Printed. 6. Skip it. So whenever condition satisfied, the value will be skipping. Remaining values will be printed. That is the meaning of continue. Continue means it will skip the current iteration value. What is the current value? It will be skipping. We can use continue statement to skip the current iteration and continue to the next iteration. To print odd numbers in the range 0 to 9. Shouldn't I am asking 0 to 9, you can print odd numbers means multiple ways are there, not there. If I can give I percentage to not equal to 0, printed. If I go to the 1, 10, 2, printed. Here I'm using continue, printed. So many ways are there for program logics. Sir, previously someone is asking this one. What is the meaning? He is having some doubt, this person. Suman. Suman is asking one doubt. What is that doubt? Anyone tell? What happened is their previous program, that is his doubt. Sir, in your cart 10, 20, 30 completed. After 600, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are there. 5 values are left. What about this situation? Suppose if your item is greater than 500, okay, you can chode though. Go to the 40, 50, 70, 80. Remaining items you can buy. Which is greater than 500, you no need to buy it. That is his doubt. Then what to do? Don't use break. You can use continue. That is his doubt just now asking. For your doubt, someone now we need to go with continue statement. Check it. I have a cart of items are there 10, 20, 30, 550, 60, 70, again 600, 80, 90. Totally 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items are there. 2 are not satisfied, more than 500. That value you can skip that. What to do for each item in the cart? What is the condition? Babu, if item is greater than $500, just you have to print, sorry boss, we can't process this item. Which one? Print that item. Then previously I'm using break. Don't use break. What is the statement? What is the meaning of continue? Skip the current value. Now print the item. Now his requirement is satisfied. Now total values will be continued, which are not processed 550, 600. Remaining all are processed or not? Yes, that is the difference of break and continue. That is his doubt previously he is asking. That is the meaning of continue. Now getting clarity, Suman. Have you seen the difference? Continue. Previously, he is using the program continue statement. Uh, yeah, you can use no problem. Different for loops, different places. Happily, you can use no issues. No problem, Dinesh. Where we are using for loop, that loop will be breaking. Where we are using continue, in that loop, it will skip the current iteration. For I in range of 10, if I equal to 5, continue, print I. What it will print? And what is the output? Aditya Rasan program ke. Ante. 0 to 9, except 5. 5 will be gone. Sir, now the program is, I have a numbers are there. Ayyo. List of numbers. 10, 20, 0, 5, 0, 25. Bus. I want to take for n in numbers. What is the n value every time? 10, తర్వాత 20, 0, 5, 25. Okay, fine. Perfect. Print. Go with 100 by what it is? వామ్మో ఏంటి అంత హిందీలో మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు బాబు. ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ దట్ మచ్ హిందీ. ఐ నో थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी. सारू है प्रोग्राम मी 5 तो हो जाता है. आता है. आता है जाता है 5 आदित्य. जाता है 5 जाता है नहीं आता. हाँ. नहीं चल रहा है. तीन दान मीनिंग नहीं आता. हाँ नहीं आता जाता जाता. So except 5 remaining values will be printed Aditya 0 to 9 except 5 ante 0 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 will be printed 5 nahi aata. సార్ ఇప్పుడు మన బాధ చూడండి ఇక్కడ క్యా ఆతా వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫార్మాట్ ఓకే. సో డాట్ format of sir first replacement I am given n, second replacement 100 by n. What is the meaning? ఏమండి సింపుల్. ఫస్ట్ టైం వాట్ ఇస్ ఎన్ వాల్యూ 10 అంటే ఇది ఇక్కడ రీప్లేస్డ్ అంటే వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ బాబు 100/10 ఈక్వల్ టు ద రిజల్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్ ద రిజల్ట్ విల్ బి ప్రింటెడ్ హియర్. అదే కదా లాజిక్. ఎస్. నా ఫస్ట్ టైం 100/10 10.0 100/20 5.0 100/0 జీరోనా 100/0 జీరోనా జీరో డివిజన్ ఎర్రర్ we will get so program will be stopped. ఇంకొంచెం చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా 100/10 10.0 100/20 5.0 what I'm getting జీరో డివిజన్ ఎర్రర్ it will stop the program. మరి వాట్ అబౌట్ మై నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూ 5 ఉంది 25 ఉంది 525 is possible divisible with 100 మరి it is stop the program. It is called as exception. Actually these are we can handle in advanced Python. There is one concept is there, exception handling concept is there. In Java try catch blocks are there we can, but present we are in core Python only. But how to handle this one? By using continue అంటే ఎక్కడ రాయాలి కంటిన్యూ స్టేట్మెంట్? ప్రింట్ మీద కింద? మీద. కింద వద్దా? వద్దా? సరే సరే మీదే రాస్తాను ఆగు. కంటిన్యూ అంతేనా? మరి మీద రాయమన్నావుగా. ఏమంటే మీద రాయాలా కింద రాయాలా? కిందే రాయాలా? మీద లేదు కింద లేదు కానీ వినండి జాగ్రత్తగా. What it is mean? First you have to check what is the n value. When you can print it, sir, if n equal to 0 అయితే then you can continue. Otherwise statement will be executed. So just your printing purpose he is using the word hey hey how we can divide with 0. What to do? Just skipping that value. What is the statement? Continue. Now see, first 10, not 0, which will executed? Line number 6. N20, not satisfied. Line number 6. N0, satisfied. Now 4, 5. Continue means it will skip 0. Go to the next 5, executed. 0, skip. 25, executed. Now check this. Now all came there. ఇదిగోండి ఫస్ట్ అవుట్పుట్ సెకండ్ అవుట్. థర్డ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ సారీ బాస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ స్కేప్. పాసిబుల్ స్కేప్. if possible execute. This is the way of how to use continue statement. Completed. One example with string. ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రింగ్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఆయన? Sir, now, sir, you know here how if and else will be executed there. If condition, some code, no, else, some code. This one already we discussed. What it is if and else block. If the condition satisfied, that block executed, not satisfied, else block already we executed some examples also. But now my program is, my concept is for with else. Ante for lo some lines are there. For loop will be running all these statements. For with else. Adi the story. Else with for loops, how it is working. Everybody knows about if and else only. For with else, they don't know how it is working for and else condition. How it is executed means, sir, in the for loop, somewhere else I'm using one statement. What it is? Break. What is the break? You know already. Once break statement executed, it is terminating the loop. Once break statement executed, then your else block is not because it is for with else, not remaining program. Previously Sunny Leone printed. The reason is that is the rest of the program. But this is for with else. Within for loop, if else statement is executed, then automatically else block not executed. Suppose break not executed. When break executed based on condition, my condition not satisfied, break execute all. Then else block will be executed there. So based on break condition, else executed or not executed will be decided. This type of terminology is available only in Python. Else with for blocks. Other programming not valid. So I'm not using if and else, for and else. Okay, check this. With else. Check the example first of all. I have a cart of items at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. Now, for each item in the cart, if item is greater than $500, we can't process. What I'm using? Break. Print item. Now we have to check carefully. I'm using else belongs to if for. Suppose I am writing else block here, then if and else, if and else. I'm starting means observe carefully. If block only this one, these statements only under if. Idi. This total thing available to which block? For block. If block only two statements only. But what about this one? This else is combination with which one? For and else. Remember indentation, you can check it carefully. For with else. Okay, done. Come to here. I want to print. Congrats. All items processed successfully. Now, in this program, is there any chance of executing the break statement? No, kada. Then automatically, if break is not executed, definitely which part executed? Else part will be executed there. For example, here I'm given some 550. Now, else part not executed because break executed there, then else part not executed 10, 20, 30. We can't process this order. So else block always decided based on this break. If break executed, else not executed. If break is not executed, then only else part will be executed. Loops with else block. Inside loop execution, if break statement not executed, then only else part will be executed. That is the for loop, while loop, sir. And break statements. ఇంకోటి ఉందిగా. Break, continue. What is the third one? Pass. Pass means bus pass. ఏం లాజిక్? ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేశాను కదా. If break not executed, then this statement is available where? Congrats, all items are available. Where it is available? Else part. When else part executed, see, if break statement not executed, then which is executed? Else part. Adi in the second case, what happened? I'm given 550. 550 means any item is greater than 500. Am I executing break or not? Yes. Once break executed, is it executing the else part? No. It was second execution. What is happened? 10, 20. That we can't process this order. Break executed there, then program will be terminated. So that's why I'm telling, if break statement not executed in the loop, then only else part will be executed. Otherwise, not executed. Where? If not using break, then what is the use of that condition? No use, kada. Why we are using that condition? If not using break, then it won't go for this one. Else block will be executed there. Loop not terminated na. As it never goes to that one, what is happening there? We can't process this order. After that, it is printing the order. I'll complete program will be output, wrong output will come. Completed. What is the difference between for loop and while loop? Both are loops only. But what is the difference? First of all, we can use loops to repeat the code execution purpose. First one, I have to repeat the code for every item in sequence. Then I can go with for loop. I want to repeat the code as long as condition is true. Then we go with while loop. That is while loop, for loop. By using the break statement. Some iteration inside the loops. If loop executed without break, that is the story. Sir, what is the third one? Pass. So what is the meaning of this pass? What it will do? Break means it is breaking the loop. Continue means skipping the current iteration, continue the next. Pass means passing to the next statement. Go to the Mari every program normal it will goes to the next line na program. If I'm not using pass also, it will go to the next line, next line, next line. Program executed once started. Suppose I'm asking one question for you. You don't know answer. Then pass, pass, pass. Yes or no? Simple. Pass means or break means it is breaking the loop. Continue means it will skip the current iteration, go to the next iteration, iteration. Pass means అసలు won't do anything. అది ఏం చేయదు. Nothing, empty. Null statement. ఇప్పుడు whenever I'm asking question, you are still in a blank face. Nothing. అది కూడా అంతే pass. Nothing. It won't do anything. You do you know, if you know Java, Java null statement is there. Null. Null. Same here also. Just like null statement in Java, here pass. And what is the use of this pass means check it. Sir, I want to write some program. One empty block is required. Suppose if true. ఏం రాయలా. If you run the program, what will happen? It will give left and right. What it is indentation error. అంటే I don't know what to write in that if statement. Okay, later I will write present What I'm using? Pass means won't to do anything. Now if I run the program, am I getting any error? No. Suppose sir, tomorrow I want to create one function def f1. Okay, you have to implement the function, but I don't know what can I write here. Later on I will implement. Okay, done. Pass. Ante one empty function is there. Upcoming days I will implement it. Present I don't know what to write there. Then I need to go to which one? Pass. Tomorrow, where this concept applicable means in advanced Python, there are some abstract classes, abstract methods are there. Ante, I have one class is there. I don't know what can I write in this class. Okay, empty class I can require. Later I can implement it. Child class is responsible to implement it. Then I need to go to the which statement? Pass. అది if ఏమి రాయలే ఒక empty class I declared, then it should be invalid. That is the meaning of pass. Pass won't do anything. Break will do something. Continue will do something. Your program pass won't do anything. Empty. One empty block I can require in my program. In future, I want to implement it. Syntactically, one empty block required. Then I can go with which statement? Pass. Pass is a one keyword. In our programming, syntactically, if block is required, which want to do anything, then we define that empty block with pass keyword. It is an empty statement, a null statement. It won't to do anything. If true, invalid. And if I'm given if true, pass, valid. F1, invalid. Def F1 with pass, valid. That is the pass, sir. Pass won't do anything. In upcoming classes at the time of advanced Python abstract classes, abstract methods, we are using this pass keyword. ఏమండి def is a one keyword which is used to declare one function. In the functions, I will explain what is the def. Nodes. You can ask to the admin. Admin will give Google Classroom link. In that, every day I'm uploading the notes. So now, see this program. What is the output? For I in range of 100. It is generating 0 to 99 numbers. Okay, done. if I percentage 9 equal to 0, print I, else pass. What is the output? Generally, what we have to write in else block, I don't know what I can write into else block. That's why empty block is required. I can make it as some pass. What is the output we will get? 9? 9 table. అంటే the numbers which are divisible with 9 will be printed. అది నీ బాధ. Okay. So the numbers which are divided with 9, it is coming as, run this. The numbers which are divisible by 9 will come 0, 9, 18, 27. So what is the meaning of pass? It won't do anything. Ante what I have to write in that, I don't know. That's why I'm giving as just a pass. Generally, we are right to print the number can't divide with 9. Like that, we have to write. Sorry, present, I don't want to write anything. I can make it as empty block. Adi without pass, if I execute valid, no, one empty block required. That's why I'm telling syntactically, one block is required, which you want to do anything. And a block won't do anything, but one empty block required. Tomorrow I will write something called print statement or something I will write. For that purpose, we go with which statement? Pass. Pass won't to do anything. Break will do something. Continue will do something. Pass won't to do anything. Final one, del. Then this flow control is completed. What is the use of the del? Once variable is declared, if no longer use that variable, you can delete by using the del keyword. For example, I'm given x equal to 10. What will happen? With the 10, one object got created internally. 10 is pointing to that. X is a one variable. This story already you know. After my work completed, I don't want to use this x1. Then I can go with which command can I use? Del of x. Del of x means it won't do anything about 10. Just it is removing the reference. Then this object will become as a useless object. This object will be eligible to the upcoming classes. One concept is there, GC, garbage collection. Then garbage collector will come, destroy this object. So del is a keyword which is used to delete your references. Antegani, it won't do anything about object. Object can be handled by garbage collector. Del is a keyword which is used to remove your references, elements. For example, simple only x equal to 10, print x. What is the output? 10. Ante. Now, my work is done. What is the keyword? Del. Del of x. Now, can I ask print? X is there? No. Name error, x is not defined. Then x is deleted. Again, you are asking, you are getting which error? Name error. What is the error? X is not, because you deleted, not deleted. Deleted. So del is a keyword which is used to delete your references. Okay, fine. Now, x equal to, I am given as a Sunny, print of x, Sunny printed, del of x, print of x. Now, not available there. First time Sunny will be printed there. After that name x is not defined. Now, my requirement is, I'm not printing the Sunny, del, x of 0 I am deleted, print x. What is the output? Uni, Unia, Munia. Uni, U, N, N, 5. So the output is what it is? U, N, N, Y. 100 bet. ನನಗೆ ఎంత వస్తాయి 600 వస్తాయి ఓకే Sir, S will be deleted, not deleted. Confirm. 100 bet. No? 7 అవుద్ది చూసుకో. Sir, Python will give left and right because del command used to delete entire reference only. Internal content is not possible. అలా letter delete చేయడం కుదరదు. You have to delete complete 700. Complete references you have to delete. Okay. Internal content not possible, sir. Del statement. Del is a keyword after using a variable. It is highly recommended to delete that variable if it is no longer required, so that the corresponding. Sir, what is the object present? You don't have any idea. In object-oriented programming, I will tell what is that object, what is that garbage collection. One concept is there, garbage collection. That object is eligible for garbage collection. In advanced Python, I will explain what is the object and what is this garbage collection story. We can delete the variable by using del statement. Now, example, x equal to tensor del of x, print of x. We will get error. What is the error? Name x is not defined. Because you deleted. You are trying to accessing. After deleting a variable, we can't access that variable. After deleting variable, don't try to access. If you try to access, you will get error. Oh. Now, last example, s equal to Sunny, try to del s of 0 invalid. Internal content deletion is not possible. str object does not support item deletion. Direct del s valid. Go to 1 minute. Del of s valid. Internal content is invalid. That is the 4th chapter, sir. Flow control completed. Next, we have to discuss about data types again. 5 data types are the important thing. str, list, tuple, set, dictionary. Because starting I'm telling already, starting I'm giving basic introduction about the data types. What is the list? How to define with square brackets, parentheses, and curling braces. Dictionary means key value pairs. Those things we have to discuss. But now internally in str, whatever programs are there, in the list related, whatever methods are there, in the tuple, whatever methods, internal content we have to. Here variable is deleted or reference to value is deleted. Reference will be deleted, not value. Only reference. X will be gone. Once it is gone, that object is eligible to the garbage collector. Garbage collector will come and destroy that object. Only reference gone. Deepti. Reference only deleted, not the content. Once reference gone, that content is useless content, it is available to garbage collector, it will come and destroy. Adi cinema today.
Recording stopped.
Tomorrow we will continue about string data type, string manipulation programs, functions, those things.